What is the real meaning of cleaning the church in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of church cleaning dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see cleaning the church in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates the ending of all kinds of inner conflicts and emotional blockades and problems in waking life. And due to this, you are going to get new opportunities and divine support and plans for success in waking life that will give you a real sense of satisfaction and peace in the upcoming time. Now, number 2, if you see someone else cleaning the church in a dream, then it indicates easy success in any work project or planning with the support of others. Or you are going to meet someone special in life who will help and support you in the coming future as a friend, lover, or partner in real life. Now, number 3, if you see sweeping with a broom or mopping in the church in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates the ending of those problems which have been bothering you for a long time. So, to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to think big and focus on your goals according to priority in life. Because something big and positive is waiting for you in the coming future that will change you and your life completely in positive ways.